Back to my channel. So today is another Aliexpress haul. I have lots of orders and I forgot what I ordered, but I'm just opening up kind of bags one at a time. So this is a cute little bag topper, and it is like the little candies, and then it has candy canes, and these two cut out and the rest are embossed. So just great to, you know, put on like a little, like this bag, put it on, flap it over, and then embellish it. And then this one, same thing, same shop, is a cute little gingerbread house, a little gingerbread cuts out, and then the little people. Unfortunately, the gingerbread one, mine, this physical die, it only embosses it. So the gingerbread people don't cut out, the shape of the actual die does not cut out, it's all embossed, which sucks, unless like maybe you use like a shim, but I'm not gonna have to fuss around with something. Like if this one works and this one doesn't, I did get my money back on that, but I'm super bummed because I really like the gingerbread like shape. Next, I got some more of these because they were just too cute. These are the little gingerbread baking sheets in plastic, not the metal ones. And then these are huge. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. I saw Dollhouse, so I assumed, you know, I was going to be getting something. Well, I guess if it was a little human, this would be the right size if they were holding a pan. Okay, anyway, these are like little scarves. You know, you could just layer up on, I was thinking die cuts and stuff, but maybe this will be for packaging and stuff because these are a little bit bigger. I mean, it's a good 7 inches long. So I got those guys, and then these things are huge too. This is super cute for packaging. I mean, I think they were only like whatever cents, 89 cents or something. But like, how cute would that to dangle from like a 3D box? A cute little like tote that you make, paper tote, have this hanging. I'm obsessed. I love that. And then I think I got pink ones. Oh, here's a cute little pink pair. And let's see if these are functioning. I mean, you could shove a doll hand in there, like if you really wanted these for dolls. But super cute. Got this one. This is just like a, I don't know, like a basic gingerbread. I don't have anything like really this size. So it's the little girl, like she could be holding something, and then the gingerbread, there's a little chef hat, the top, suspenders, little squigglies. This one's shaped like a Christmas tree, a heart, and this is a regular one. A little piping bag, so it's kind of like a baking couple. And then I got this one. I saw Christina haul this. I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is just like a piping bag, and these are a great size for like, you know, if you have your gingerbread die cut, he could be holding these things, like the spoon, the cute little cookies, rolling pin layered up with some wood grain. Gorgeous little die. And then a cute, just like vintage ornament. And it is so cute. So this layers up. It's like where it's concave and you can see like the gold and stuff on the inside. They're usually glass. So pretty. I can't wait to play with that next year. And then I got this one, which was just a fun, when it was paper pieced together, it looked cute. I think I got the right one. Aliexpress or Temu. Yeah. Okay, so here's the shape of the tree, and then you layer up these layers in different greens. It was just super cute. And these can be the bulbs or maybe some holly. I don't know. But very cute, great size. This, what the heck? Oh my gosh, you guys. I mean, but these will be cute. Yes, that was my idea. Okay, so these are little boxes. Heartwarming baking. That's what it says on it. They're little pastry boxes, like a gable style, mini. They're a gloss, so not like a regular paper, with a little window, plastic windows. And you can stick like cabochons and stuff in this and gift it. Or you can stick them in there, glue it down, and then dangle this as a charm for like baking theme. So this comes with a 3-pack. So that's what my head was thinking. Next I got these, super cute. These are little flower, like a little flower pail. And then it's got the rose, and then it's got a little green emerald diamond. Oh my God, these are so, so cute. I wish the flower was a little bit brighter. I mean, I could go in with like a, you know, alcohol marker, but these are so, so cute. Love those. Next, I got these. I got multiple packs of these because I was like, might as well, because I'm going to love them. They are bigger than I thought they were going to be, which is a good thing. But look how gorgeous that floppy, sloppy bow is. It reminds me of like Easter bunny ears. So I got 2 packs of the red. Gorgeous red. Again, I got another thing of those flowers. Oh my gosh, how many did I got 3 things of those flowers because you know what? I'm going to swap, and I was like, I want to gift some. So look how cute. The pink bows. Same sloppy foppy style bow. I am obsessed with these. There's one more, and it's kind of like, it could be the frame or the cookie sheet basically. Here's your dough, and then here's all your little cutout pieces. So here's what it looks like. Obviously I didn't cut it out in dough color, but super cute little die. Again, I saw Christina haul this. Okay, you guys, that's everything for this haul, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.